Hi guys, I'm back and welcome to another video, and today we're going to do some Xbox 360 Plants v Zombies Garden Warfare pack opening. So as you see up there, I have over 100,000 coins and none of these packs are really too expensive. So I think we should get one of these. And it says all or some, so I have a pretty good chance that I'm going to get a character. So I'm gonna get a character. Yes, I got a Sky Trooper Beast. It's awesome. Be sure to use him. We're gonna get Legend of the Lawns. One or two reinforcements because I'm actually running low, so cool. Let's get a crazy pack. I've got quite a lot of coins. Ooh, the fire cactus. Oh, I want him. Let's go for another, see if I can get another character piece. Yes, one more. One more and I can get that sunflower.